Open the Logo Creator. Start in Brand Fundamentals to make sure the generator is aligned with your brand basics. Click Brand Name to enter the name that will appear on your logo. Click Continue to save your brand details and move to Visual Styling. Choose Styles to steer concepts in the direction you want. Pick a logo type that you want. Pick your brand colors to guide the generator with your brand palette. Optionally, upload a reference image or your drawing to help Logogram match the style you're aiming for. Click Generate Concept to create a logo direction based on your style, image reference, and color choices. Review and update the Structured Concept prompt to control what the mark communicates. Refine typography to set the right font personality for your brand. Tweak color direction to keep every variation consistent with your palette rules. Edit composition to guide spacing and layout for a production-ready lockup. Adjust mood, tone to make the concept feel exactly on brand. Want to change something? Tell the creative director what to change for fast, targeted iterations. Press Send to apply your feedback and refine the concept direction. Switch to Senior Designer for a more polished, premium interpretation. Choose Junior Designer to generate a quicker, simpler variation. Click Generate Logo to create your updated logo from the final brief. Watch the concept generate in the canvas as Logogram turns your prompts into visuals. Select the concept you like to open actions like Edit and Download. Click Download to export your logo files in one step. Choose Download SVG to get a crisp, scalable vector logo ready for any size.